It's time for the final walkthrough. Congratulations. Let's talk about how that works so that you have everything in order so that you can move on to the next stage, signing your loan documents. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Phoenix real estate agent John Cunningham with eXp Realty. And on this channel, if you're just starting the home buying process, this channel can be a great resource to you. Click on the subscribe button and the notification bell, and that way I'll let you know when I've uploaded my next video. And by the way, I do that every single Thursday right here on YouTube. So we do our final walkthrough so that we can verify that the home is in much the same condition as it was at time of contract, making sure that all the appliances that were agreed to be left behind are still there, making sure that all the repairs that have been agreed to during the contract process are completed. So you'll want to carry in with you a copy of the receipt so that you can double check and make sure that each of those things has been done. And now you've completed your final walkthrough. Congratulations. Next up, you're going to sign your loan documents. I've got a video about that linked below, so make sure to check that out. In the meantime, thanks for checking out this video. I'm Phoenix real estate agent John Cunningham with eXp Realty. See ya.